In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell Notion templates. Notion has become one of the most popular tools for organization and productivity. Perhaps you've spent countless hours perfecting your pages and templates, and now you're ready to share or sell your creations with the world. Let's dive into the process of turning your Notion templates into products you can profit from. First things first, head over to Notion and navigate to your workspace. If you aren't already familiar with Notion, it's a highly versatile tool that allows you to create and organize anything from to-do lists to full-fledged project management boards. Once you're in Notion, find the page or template you have meticulously crafted and want to sell. Click on it to open it up. It's always good to make sure everything is in order here. Check for any last-minute adjustments or formatting errors. A clean, well-organized template can make a significant difference in your customer's experience. Next, you'll want to make this template accessible to others by sharing it. Click on the Share button in the top right corner of your page. This action will bring up the sharing options, crucial for setting up your template as a product. With the sharing options in front of you, look for the Publish button and give it a click. This option will allow you to create a public link to your template page. Keep in mind, publishing a page makes it visible to anyone with the link, so double check that you're comfortable with the content you're sharing. Before finalizing, there's another crucial step. You'll need to ensure that the page can be duplicated by others once they access it. This is what enables them to use your template in their own Notion workspace. Turn on the toggle for Duplicate as Template. This option is what transforms your page into a reusable template for customers. After you have your template set up for sharing, you need to get the public link. Click on the copy icon to copy the site link. This link is what you will share on selling platforms, allowing buyers to access your template easily. Now, it's time to introduce this link to a platform where your customers can purchase it. Go to Gumroad, a popular website for selling digital products. Once there, fill out all the necessary fields for your new product, and be sure to paste the link to your Notion template in the appropriate section. Remember, clarity in your product description can be the key to sales, but Gumroad isn't your only option. You can also sell your Notion templates on platforms like Etsy, which is widely known for creative goods, or any site that supports digital product sales. Choose the one that suits your style best. And that's it. You're all set to start selling your Notion templates. By following these steps, you can transform your digital organizing expertise into a stream